Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you 10 magical benefits of lotus seeds. Lotus seeds are also called fox seeds. They are the seeds of the lotus plant. They are commonly used in Asian countries like China, India, and Japan. Lotus seeds are a versatile ingredient and can be used in both sweet and savory dishes. Now let's talk about 10 magical benefits of lotus seeds. First benefit is they are rich source of nutrients. Lotus seeds are packed with essential nutrients, including minerals like magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus. Minerals are integral components of bones. They provide strength and support to our skeletal system. So lotus seeds work as medicine to relieve bones pain. Next benefit is, lotus seeds are low in calories. That's why they are a good option for those looking to manage their weight or reduce calorie intake. They aid in weight management. Due to their high fiber content, lotus seeds can promote a feeling of fullness, potentially reducing overall calorie intake. Third benefit of lotus seed is they aid in digestion. They are high in fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and helps prevent constipation. The high fiber content in lotus seeds supports healthy digestion and regular bowel movements, contributing to improved gut health. Next benefit is lotus seeds help to regulate blood pressure. The high potassium content in lotus seeds can help regulate blood pressure levels, making them beneficial for individuals with hypertension. Lotus seeds are naturally low in fat, particularly saturated fats. A low-fat diet is often recommended for those with high blood pressure, as excessive intake of saturated fats can contribute to elevated blood pressure levels. Another benefit of lotus seeds is they are good for the heart. The low sodium and high potassium content in lotus seeds contribute to a heart-healthy diet by helping to maintain healthy blood pressure levels. The combination of minerals, antioxidants, and other nutrients in lotus seeds can contribute to overall cardiovascular health by supporting factors like blood vessel health, blood pressure regulation, and proper heart muscle function. Number 6. Lotus seeds are crucial for pregnancy. Lotus seeds are a good source of folate, also known as vitamin B9. Folate is crucial during pregnancy as it supports the proper development of the baby's neural tube, which forms the brain and spinal cord. Lotus seeds are often associated with calming properties. This can be particularly useful for pregnant women who may experience stress or anxiety. Number 7. Lotus seeds are good for balanced blood sugar levels. The fiber in lotus seeds can help slow down the absorption of sugars, which can contribute to more stable blood sugar levels. Lotus seeds have a low glycemic index, GI, which means they have a slower and more gradual effect on blood sugar levels. This can help prevent rapid spikes and drops in blood sugar. Number 8 is lotus seeds support kidney health. Traditional Chinese medicine associates lotus seeds with supporting kidney function and reducing heat in the body. Some traditional uses of lotus seeds include their potential to help cleanse and detoxify the kidneys. This is attributed to their diuretic properties. So we can say lotus seeds offer a balanced nutritional profile supporting overall kidney function. Number 9. Lotus seeds have anti-inflammatory properties. Some compounds found in lotus seeds are believed to have anti-inflammatory properties. This may help alleviate any discomfort or swelling that pregnant women may experience. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health conditions, including cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and autoimmune disorders. Consuming foods like lotus seeds that have anti-inflammatory properties may help mitigate the risk of developing these conditions. Number 10. Lotus seeds may improve cognitive function. Some studies suggest that certain compounds found in lotus seeds may have cognitive-enhancing properties. Improving cognitive properties generally refers to enhancing various aspects of cognitive function, including memory, learning, attention, and overall mental clarity. So viewers, these are the 10 benefits of lotus seeds. Add lotus seeds to your food and get these magical benefits. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it informative, don't forget to like and share with your family and friends. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. See you in next video. Take care.